What's going on, everybody? Sorry I started this video a bit late here. Working on a Bmw F30 rear axle. This is the outer axle shaft boot. I noticed online there was no videos on replacing this thing, so it's not too bad. Pretty much what you're going to want to do is once you remove this thing from the car, you're going to pop off the two clamps that you can, push them down out of the way, and you're going to pull this boot back and down. That way you can actually get to and see the actual joint, the CV joint itself. Well, it's splined on there with like a locking snap ring that's at the very tip. And what you have to do is you take a piece of brass, in this case took this guy, nice hammer, and I struck it several times right on that inner collar, or the inner little star piece where the ball bearings go, and out it came. It did take a good amount of force striking it. So once it's all done, clean out the grease, put some new grease in there, take the boot off, put the new boot on, then put the joint back on top, and then you're gonna have to hammer it a little bit to get it to pop back down to the splines. And it took about 20 minutes of hammering and carefully, cleaning and getting put back together. A little hot in here, so it definitely had me sweating. But once it's all done, just clean up this boot, put some clamps on there. We're putting a used boot in there, but let me show you kind of what it looks like with the clamp, with the joint of it off. Exactly when we took off. Like that. Got a little fucking locking clip right there. Pretty much that CV joint splines onto there. So you gotta pop off that ring. So we took it out of F30 Bmw 2015 E28i. Hopefully this video is helpful for someone. There's a piece of shit blue boot that we tried, an epic fail with that thing. We're just gonna do it right, so we're dismantling the whole thing. But yeah, don't be scared. Definitely can do it. We couldn't find an exact boot for it, but we ended up using one that we found that was really damn similar, which was off a Honda Accord. So that's what we ended up using, but it works. Alright guys, later.